Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. First of all, thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who always given health, blessing, and self-protection for all of us. So that we may without peril at all. Secondly, my salawat and salam can our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who always given goodness in the world. Okay. The first, my name is Raffa Sutanto. You can call me Raffa, and I'm from Cikarang, and I'm is 9th grade or 9D. I'm in here, not alone. I'm with my friend. Uh, Assalamualaikum, Karkhi.
Salam.
What I, what do you think the in in this day?
Uh, Today is quite a good day.
Very good. Uh, uh, uh,
Do
do
you
you
introduce my
introduce introduce
yourself?
yourself?
My name is Karkhi Mirza Kavari. I'm from South Sulawesi, and I am focused in designing the information.
And
And for what
what do you want in this event
to
to
the
the
material,
material in this event?
the material for this life is how to make an infographic poster with Figma. The infographic poster is basically role of your parents.
Okay, Kaki, yeah, time is yours.
Okay, so uh, first of all, what is Figma? Uh, Most people know that Figma is a basic designing app, but it's very functional. In Figma, there's a utility where you could make your teams and look at what your members have done. Maybe like my illustration team, what they did, what can they edit, or what their role is in the team project that we make. And you could add a favorite files in the Figma app. Figma is a design app based on application and website. So the main screen of Figma is like this. There is a search file for the files of designing that you've made. These are all the files that I've currently worked on, and these are most of the files that you've made. And there are some utilities here, like when you press this, you can go to community. And in the community section, you can search for inspiration, jam session, design system, or design web, icons, mobiles, and even wireframes. These are templates, Figma presentation templates, and many others. So before we go into the basic of Figma or to the specific designing, I'm just going to introduce the new design layout and the tools of Figma. So after we go into Figma, it would be like this. It would be an empty space. And after that, uh, there. Oh wait, for today we're just gonna add uh, just review some tools of Figma. This one is Figma Quick Action, slide files, new design file, new Figdam, and others. You can just see it yourself when you've entered Figma. The second tool is the Move tool and Scale tool. You can do a shortcut by using V or K. K is basically when you press a button, it will be more bigger all of it. So scaling it will be easy. For the Move tool, it will be like this and not scale it all of 30. The third tool is frame, section, and slice. The frame section is basically used to make the layout of your poster, like this one. So before we go into deep into designing, let's just see this pen, pencil, and text tool. It's just a component layout, plugins, and widget. This is a comment tool. When you have a team, you could comment blah blah blah, or add like change it to blue color or other comments. So first of all, we're gonna go to frame section by pressing F on the keyboard shortcut. And what you're gonna do is go to the tab side here and then go to width, the W page. Set the W page to 1096. There is 1096. You can change it to 12, 12, and 1627. 1627. And you've made the first frame of your poster. And the second thing you want to add is a component or an asset that you could add. And I can share it to you guys from this. This is the link if you want to open it. I left the asset of this, and others. So in this, so first of all, you want to go to this page and take this background. Then after that, you're gonna copy and paste it to this frame. With that, you're gonna go to this folder again, and I know you're gonna go to the rectangle tool, and then you're gonna add it, or using the shortcut button of R. And then you're gonna make rectangle for the upper side of the frame. Set the color to blue or to whatever choice of color that you want. For this tutorial, I'm gonna set it to cyan. About that. To do that, you're gonna make a text and set the color to F. So it's basically white. And you're gonna go to the shortcut key with K, enlarge it, and change it to parent short. And then for the paragraph of the frame, you're gonna go to the poster or just copy this, write it on your frame, change it to no. So, and after change the fill or the background of the frame, you're gonna add another text to your uh, design. So set it to another color or cyan. And choose any other fonts that you want for the text that you would like to add. So for this one, I'm just gonna choose cast font and change the space for the the text that you made. And for this one, you're gonna go to Move Tool and and then click on the text double time, and you're gonna hover until to the two uh, text. Then change the color to yellow. After that, you're gonna highlight the line text and change it to red. After that, you're gonna go to this folder and take this image. Then you're gonna add it to your frame or your poster. After that, you're gonna make a rectangle like this. And you're gonna set uh, the rounded bar to the maximum. Then after that, you're gonna send it to the back of your image by pressing the backslash key, which is this one. Then you're gonna press it, and it's behind your image. So after that, set it to behind your parents' logo or your parents' image, and then put the color to blue and add a text to your image. So this uh, uh, dots are the text that you're gonna add to whatever you like. Then after that, the next thing you want to do is make a rectangle. Just a short one, like this. Wait, you just can drag it until almost the end. But you can make it a little bit large. Then set the rounded border to the maximum. And another dot text, which you could add, set the text to whatever you like. Then the next one is making this rounded things, which are basically a foundation to your image that I've sent in this drive. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a circle and then make five kinds of circle. So after you make five circle, you're just gonna add it to the poster that you make. And you're gonna make another rectangle, but it's quite a long one. And then you're gonna press this added project tools or button, and then you're gonna click on the left side and then drag it down. Scroll to the left to right side to make it look like this, and then duplicate it to 5. Then you're gonna take the image from this one. There will be this book and all of the others. I said that I've put in the drive that I've made. And put it horizontally to the middle of this uh, rectangle that you've set to be the foundation of your design. And then click on the image that you've added, and then drag it down to be at on top of the rectangle. And then you're just gonna add a simple uh, vector or just a slice to this so it looks like it's a room. And then and you're just gonna add another bunch of text to your frame to basically making a new text and then adding it to your text. Put it under the rectangle that you've made and set the color to whatever you want. For this text, I'm just setting it to uh, 683, 66, 336, 41. And then for some simple designs, you could make random things by using your mind. And then you're just gonna take click on this pencil, then click on the edge of anything you did of your design. After that, you're gonna click on the minus stroke for the image that you want to make. Then click on the plus thing on the fill side. Set the color to whatever you want. And then put it in the poster that you wanted to add simple things. And you're just gonna duplicate it. And then you're gonna right click the vector and click flip horizontal. And put it according to the design before you edit it. Then make other designs for the back of it, but I'm not gonna do it. So the last thing you want to do is add logo of your school and then change the color to selection of your poster. And then simple as that. That's how you make an infographic poster to help your children to learn more so that your children could be better at school. And maybe that's it. Thank you for listening to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you for Karkhi. The material is about Figma. Yeah? Okay, sorry if there are mistakes and words that don't hear well. Uh, I am the host and Karkhi the material. Sorry any mistake. Thank you for the was in this live.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
thank you.
you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.